kind of caught it, but I wanted it to do another circle.
Going.
My lovely wife thinks I need to go way down there and launch it. Get out of the slot. Maybe. Good idea, bad idea, we're fine. It'll probably fall off the cliff.
Watch that loose grass. They weed eating.
They've been weed eating,
Okay, this is what I'm going to do up front.
Little air, little wind will help. Well, that's definitely out there.
I told you. Just made it.
I don't know.
Well, that one ain't coming back.
No, that's gonna be fun to watch.
Look how straight it's flying now. Hit the thermal and go. It's just going.
Well, that thing could, if it stayed in the right direction, it could go all the way to the landing field.
Yeah. We'll stay on it as long as...
Will it zoom?
No, well, it goes out of focus.
It's still up.
Okay, it's heading downwind now, and no, it's still going.
Oh wow,
Turn left.
that's great.
It's soaring now.
Turn left. It's
Oh shoot.
trying to work something. Hard to tell how high it is.
Yeah, you can't tell.
And it's getting way back in here. We should catch the thermal.
Be careful, they'll fall.
Well, this is obviously what my longest watched flight. There's no doubt. That was nice.
That's a good one.
I think it's down.
That was worth a lost glider there.
You need to get out.